Welcome to the channel, friends. Today we'll be doing the intersection of insider trades that I pull on monthly basis and ARK portfolio that I pull on daily basis. So we'll find out what companies are insiders also buying. So it's an intersection of two great data points. One, ARK is invested in those companies, and two, insiders are also buying. So it becomes a really strong signal for the traders. So this time we found four stocks. This kind of episode we do only when we find some insider buying happening. Selling happens every day. Selling I won't read too much into because people sell their stock, insider stocks, for several reasons. It could be the tax reasons, it could be personal reasons, but they buy the stock of the company they work in for one main reason, which is that they know something about their company. They are very bullish on the future. They know it's going to do well in the future. So that's the reason we bring this episode on monthly basis. Today we'll be doing actually entire month of September and half of October because we missed September episode. So please stay with me and please like and subscribe. I'll keep bringing this awesome content to you, and I'll see you on the other side. Thank you. Welcome back, friends. So today we are doing insider trading episode. We generally do it once a month, and we only do it for the companies that are present in our portfolio, all the ETFs. Now let's go over this quickly. It will be a quick episode. We have some buys, some sells, and this is the date range that we are checking, September 1st to October 15th. There are lots of sells, and as I said previously, that I don't try to read too much into the sells because people sell for personal reasons, for taxation reasons, but they buy for one main reason. So we'll take a look at how much people bought for these four companies and then who bought it. And then we'll also look at the position that ARK holds for these four companies. So let's go over the sells quickly first, get that out of the way, and then focus only on buys. So Google topping the charts in terms of number of sales. It's almost 1.4 billion worth of sales that happened. All these are the people who sold shares and their shares that they own. Then Facebook is the second highest. Open is the third highest. Then CRM, which is Salesforce, Palantir. Then you have Workday, Snowflake, LHX, DraftKings, Bill, Roku, Zoom, Netflix, Net, Snap, Coin, Nvidia. So including Apple as well. So a lot of sales happening, including Tesla. But I won't read too much into it. And a lot of these are the ones that we track on daily basis as well, like Palantir, DraftKings, yeah, Tesla as well. Anyway, so those are the sells, but let's take a look at the buys quickly. HEI, TDY, LC, and MTRX metrics. So HEY, these are the people who bought stock. TDY, EVP there. LC, Lending Club, and TRX metrics. 0.05 million, 0.06. So when it's a buy, it's a totally different scale than the sells. Sells happens a lot at a much bigger scale, whereas buy happens much smaller scale. And as you can see, it is much smaller scale. Now let's go over what positions does ARK hold for these four companies quickly, and we do it in the spotlight area. So yeah, I've already pre-selected all of these companies. So Teledyne Technology is TDY. Then we have, let's go over it from the beginning. So we have, what is the first one? Heiko Corp is HEI. Then we have Lending Club is LC. Matrix IT Limited is MTRX. And Teledyne, as we saw just now, Teledyne Technologies is TDY. So those are the four companies for which we saw insiders purchasing the stock of their own company. And the highest among all these, this is the market value trend, this is the stock price trend, and this is the shares count trend for all these four companies that ARK holds. So let's focus on market value trend. That's basically the indicator of which among these four is they hold the highest market value and they have the highest conviction in. So looks like this one, Lending Club, is the one which they have 0.07 billion. We'll look at the ranking also for all these four. Then Teledyne is 0.04 billion, and the other two are not even. So this one, Heiko Corp is 0.01, and Matrix is not even 0.1 billion. So that's how much they hold. So not so much. So insiders are buying, but they don't have so much position. I mean, ARK doesn't have so much position for all these. So Heiko, let's take a look. This is the ranking chart, as all of you know, among all the 270 companies that they have, 72 companies now. It started pretty low in the rank, at the lower end of their portfolio, and then reached somewhere in the middle, 166. That's Heiko. Let's take a look at Lending Club. It's much higher. Lending Club is at much higher level, much of the ranking. It had reached somewhere around 56 is the highest rank that it had reached in past, and right now it is at 89. Um, yes, they have sold a lot of shares recently, looks like. Then let's look at the matrix, which is the lowest. It is pretty low in their portfolio, ranking at about 210. Yep. And then let's take a look at Teledyne as well, which is a little bit higher than others, second highest. So this started at 127. This is since the time I've been recording data, since January, and right now also at 127. So this is crazy. They have maintained the ranking for this one though. So that's the insiders episode for you guys. Please like and subscribe, and I'll keep bringing you daily episodes and weekly summaries, monthly summaries, quarterly summaries as we go along on this journey. Let's see when does ARK gets its next Tesla. There are a few contenders like Palantir, Scales, Nano Dimension, and so many more. Like we keep on the daily watch list, right? These are the ones that are big contenders of becoming the next Tesla. We have Tesla also because there is a lot of people are bullish on that, as well as their energy business booms, which is going to be bigger than the car business. So that should go really high up also. So Skills, Nano Dimension, Coinbase, DraftKings, Palantir, and Hood, those are the ones that I'm super bullish on as well. Let's see where it goes, which one of these is their next Tesla. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in future in a day or two. Thank you.